Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Health benefits of okra water and how to make it. Okra water made by soaking okra pods in water overnight has gained attention for its potential health benefits. Known for its rich nutritional profile, this simple preparation can be a beneficial addition to your diet. Let's explore the health benefits of okra water and how to make it. Health benefits 1. Supports digestive health. Okra water is rich in soluble fiber, which aids in digestion by adding bulk to the stew and promoting regular bowel movements. This can help prevent constipation and support overall gut health. 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. The fiber and antioxidants in okra water may help stabilize blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that the consumption of okra can improve glycemic control, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 3. Boosts immunity. Okra is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which strengthen the immune system. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in fighting infections and protecting the body from oxidative stress. 4. Enhances skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in okra water can contribute to healthier skin by reducing inflammation and promoting hydration. Regular consumption may help improve skin texture and appearance. How to make okra water? 1. Ingredients: 3 to 4 fresh okra pods and 2 cups of water. 2. Preparation: wash the okra pods thoroughly. Slice the pods into smaller pieces. Place the sliced okra into a glass jar or bowl and add the water. Cover and let it sit overnight. 3. Consumption: strain the okra pieces from the water and drink the infused water on an empty stomach in the morning. Okra water offers several health benefits, including improved digestion, better blood sugar regulation, and enhanced skin health, making it simple and can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.